I was going to go back to 5.1 from 5.2 because I was going to let my brother borrow one of my subwoofers. And I was calibrating to get it back into 5.1. And then I played some movies back in 5.1, coming back from 5.2. And it is such a big difference having two subwoofers. Once you have two subwoofers, you could never go back to just having one subwoofer. When you have two subwoofers, the bass is like a flat wall coming at you. When you have one subwoofer, you can hear that bass response coming from just one side. And that bothers me now. I never noticed it because I never went back to 5.1 from 5.2. But now that I'm doing that, I could never go back to 5.1. And that's very interesting because when I had 5.1, I thought it sounded great. And when I went to 5.2, I thought it sounded great also, but I didn't think it was a big difference until I went back down to 5.1 from 5.2. So that is very interesting. I'm gonna give my brother one subwoofer to borrow just so he can have a sub for now until he could afford his own, but damn, I didn't think it would be that big of a difference. I have to have my 5.2.